how to put money aside for home maintenance monthly. So these tips is for new and future homeowners. Hey there, this is KG, your trusted realtor in the DMV area. Don't forget to subscribe, drop me a comment and like the video. So today I am talking about a crucial aspect of home ownership, very crucial, how to put money aside for home maintenance every month. Very, very crucial. So whether you are a new homeowner, just bought your house, or you're planning to buy a house in the future, these tips will help you stay ahead financially, very, very important, and help you prepared when you buy your house or if you're already a homeowner. So let's dive in. Tip number one, create a home maintenance budget. We have budget, but you want to create a home maintenance budget. You want to estimate your annual home maintenance cost. Who does that? You can know, and divide it by 12 to set a monthly savings goal. How do you know how much your home maintenance cost is? So the idea is you want to actually set aside 1% of your home value per year is a good rule of thumb. So let's talk about number wise. So if you bought your house for, let's say, $400,000, you want to set aside 1%, which is about 4,000, and target the monthly of that, which is about 333. You want to save that monthly towards your home maintenance. Number two, you also want to automate the savings, like put it in autopilot, set up an automatic transfer to your dedicated home maintenance account, savings account, of course. Each month that money comes out and goes to the maintenance account. So this ensures you never forget to save and help you build up your fund consistently. Number three, you want to build an emergency fund. So this is different from your home maintenance. For emergency fund, this is in addition to your regular maintenance saving. Because things happen, it does happen. Have an emergency fund for unexpected breakdown repairs. The goal is you want to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. So when I say worth of living expenses, every month, the bill that you pay monthly, you want to have 3 to 4 months of that, so that if there's any major home repairs, you can take care of it. Number four, you want to perform regular inspection. Regularly inspecting your home for minor issues before they become major issues. Very important. Seasonal checklist, winter, spring, summer. These can help you stay on top of necessary maintenance tasks. Prevention is better than cure. Minor, you want to take care of minor because it can become major issues. Tip number five, you want to use home maintenance tool. There's a lot of apps now and tools designed for home maintenance tracking. So when you put it in, you set it up, it alerts you. They can remind you of your routine tasks and help you manage your maintenance. It's very important you do it. Help you manage your maintenance budgets effectively. Home buying is not for the faint of heart, but if you do these things, you will save yourself a lot of headache. So remember, staying proactive with your home maintenance saves you time and money in the long run. It does. All right, so if you find these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with anybody that you know is a homeowner or looking to become a homeowner, and help expand the network by subscribing to the channel. So for more on homeownership advice, and if you want to buy a house, MKG, your friendly realtor in the DMV area or any part of the union. Let's connect so that you can get on your way to home buyer, or if you want to sell your house. Until next time, Thanks for watching and happy home maintaining. Very crucial. Ciao.